Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy!
Okay guys, today I'm just going to demonstrate a different approach to moving the trailer from here to here. Okay, so I'm just going to be driving straight. All right, now here, before, what I'm going to do here, I'm actually going to start turning to the left. All right, and I'm going to get the back of the trailer pointing towards the space I want to go into. This is kind of like the same setup that you would do if you were doing a parallel park like I do. Okay, so I turn. Now, as you can see, I have these red little lines here. Let's call them lasers. And basically, this is where my trailer is pointing towards. Okay, so as you can see, and right now I'm pointing towards my space. Now, I have nothing in this space, so I can use a little bit of this room if I need to. Now, I got to be very wary of this trailer, of course. All right, as you can see, I have a straight back. So all I'm going to do right now is focus on the straight back, making sure my steers are pointing straight, doing a little bit of maneuvering. So small little movements, small little movements. Now, if we look over here, like I'm pretty much focused on the left-hand mirror. Okay. Now I've lost the trailer over here that I'm parking next to. So as you can see, so I'm not really looking over there anymore. All right, because there's nothing going on. Well, what's going on is hidden, but so I'm focusing over here. I'm focusing on the back of the trailer and I'm focusing on the axles. So as you can see, I'm keeping my axles a little bit to the left of this line. All right, because the more you keep it to the left, the further away you are from the trailer over here, if you look at the drone footage. Okay, so I'm keeping a good distance. All right, so right now, because I am cocked, I am at an angle from, I'm not parallel, in other words, from this yellow line. I'm going to go ahead and start jackknifing now. And while I am jackknifing, all right, it's still maneuvering. Now I'm going to give it a quick little jackknife there again. And then slowly maneuver myself in. And nice dead straight. Let's watch it again. A little bit faster. I turn. I point myself in the general direction. I do a straight back. I guide it in with a little bit of maneuvering and all the way back. All right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. As usual, please subscribe if you haven't done it already. Please like it. I do love when I get those likes. And share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And that should be all. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. Cheers to you. Good luck. Bye.
So I do have more videos like that if you want to click on any of these links. Thanks. Good luck.